Hi, it's Alison Mead from Silicon Bullet here, doing my first bookkeeping tip video of 2022. I'm out here in Northamptonshire on a Sunday morning, walking my dog Daisy. There she is. And it's such a beautiful day that I felt like I really wanted to do a video, and then I needed to think of a tip to tell you. So the blog post that I'm getting that's being published on Monday is all about how to pay yourself back expenses when you set up a business, or even when you're just ongoing running your own business. So it kind of is very similar whether you're a limited company or a sole trader. Basically, especially when you're starting out, it's most common, but it can happen at any time. You might not have enough money in your business bank account to pay certain bills or to buy incidentals or pay expenses, and you might need to be supplementing that with personal money because you're just getting started. So ideally, if we lived in an ideal world, you would do a director's loan to your new business, or you would introduce money in if you were a sole trader, and you'd put it in the business bank account, and then you would pay all your expenses out of the business bank account. But we all know that we don't live in an ideal world. It might be that you don't have the cash spare and you're using a personal credit card to pay some of the bills. There could be all sorts of different scenarios. So you want to keep the bookkeeping for this really, really simple. So if you go to siliconbullet.com, you will find my blog post with different suggestions on how to repay yourself expenses. I mainly deal with Sage 50. So as a limited company, what I chose to do was set up a director's loan account as a bank account. And when I pay expenses personally, I mark invoices as paid from the director's loan bank account. And when I have the money in the business to pay myself back for those expenses, I can then do a bank transfer from the main account in the director's loan bank account. You might also run your director's expenses through a petty cash or a cash account. So if you pay for something personally, mark it as paid in the petty cash account, and then when you're ready to repay yourself the money, do a bank transfer from the main bank account to the petty cash account. There's other ways of doing it that are all mentioned in my blog post, but if you would like a review to see the best way for you to manage repaying yourself for expenses in your business, then do get in touch. My name is Alison Mead from Silicon Bullet. I do hand-holding in Xero and in Sage, helping business owners or bookkeepers to use the software better, or just giving you basic, down-to-earth, no-nonsense advice on how to run your bookkeeping. So, signing off again from this beautiful part of Northamptonshire where I live on my dog walk. I will speak to you again soon. Bye.